Hello guys, we're at my in-laws place. I just want to share with you what vegetable they planted. Here are they. That one is onion, I think. I'm not sure, or let me smell. No, they are garlic. My mother-in-law planted a garlic. That's a rhubarb. This is a rhubarb. And parsley. Onions. Onions. And more garlic. This is carrot. Carrot. And more onions. Look at that. They're really healthy. That's it. These are strawberries, but it's already finished. They finished harvest that. So no more. They're just a bit left, but they're too little. Taste is really sweet. I think this is I don't know, can't remember. There's no name in it. But it's finished also. They harvest it already too.
Can I just bring a puddle?
This is courgette. But it's finished. There's just a bit left. Here we are. It's Mom's little greenhouse. This is, I think, I'm not sure if that's apricot or what. It's quite big, so maybe it's a plum, I think. Yeah, look, small tomatoes. Got plenty. Look, another here. More tomatoes. Yeah, that's it. Tomatoes. And grapes. More grapes. Look at that.
What's it in now?
Yeah, that's a grapes.
Good job, Lucky.
That's grapes.
Mommy.
That one also, look. It's many fruit. It's too many. But it's not ripe yet. There's still...
Wait, Mommy. It's green.
Yeah, it's still green, isn't it? I don't know what kind of fruit is that.
Green.
Sorry, baby?
Green.
No, that's not grapes. That's not a grapes. They're too big for a grapes.
It's too big.
Yeah. Maybe it's a plum. Sorry, darling. Yeah, look. It's too much. It's nice. Even this one, they have, but just a bit. They're still little. Look. That's Mom's flower. I don't know what's the name of that flower. Yeah. Many stuff. I love this. Look at that. I don't know what's the name. I'm not familiar with it. And look at this. It's a lovely color. Excuse me for the dog. I got plenty of dogs, which is really noisy. Over here. Some over here. Look at many things. See. That's it. It's a lovely one. I like it. My mother-in-law loved to plant many flowers and vegetables. Look at their huge garden. That's their garden. See, my son loved to play here every time we visit them. See, I hope I got a big garden too. That's it. Got a slide for the kids. Swing. And that's trampoline, but it's my husband not finished sorted out yet. Some spare parts are missing. That's it. Look around. That's their small summer house. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.